Hello friends, welcome back to a farmstead journey. In this video, we explore three of America's most beautiful and historic heritage chicken breeds. If you're starting your first backyard flock or just curious about American poultry heritage, these three breeds might win your heart. They're not just beautiful to look at, they're practical, friendly, and rooted in our agricultural history. From the snowy farms of Rhode Island to the early USDA breeding programs of the 1900s. Each of these breeds tells a story of American ingenuity and self-reliance. Today, you'll discover how the Rhode Island White was created and how it differs from its cousin, the Rhode Island Red. You'll learn how the Lamona nearly vanished and its relationship to a USDA expert. Finally, we'll explore the Wyandotte's relationship to a Native American tribe and why it became one of America's most beloved and beautiful backyard breeds. America has given us some of the most beautiful and dependable chicken breeds in the world. Let's begin with the Rhode Island White, the quieter cousin of the famous Rhode Island Red. While the Red became a symbol of American poultry success, the White quietly built its own legacy. It was developed in the early 1900s in, yes, you got it, Rhode Island. Breeders wanted a hardy, dual-purpose chicken that could handle New England winters and keep laying when others slowed down. To achieve this, they crossed white Wyandottes, partridge cochins, and rose-comb white leghorns. The result was a bird that was calm, steady, and dependable, qualities that make it perfect for beginners. Rhode Island Whites are elegant in their simplicity. Crisp white feathers, a bright red rose comb, and a gentle nature that makes them easy to manage. They lay large brown eggs, often over 200 a year, and they keep producing even in colder months when other breeds take a break. So if you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable layer that's also beautiful to look at, the Rhode Island White is an underrated gem. Next, let's talk about one of the rarest American chickens still in existence, the Lamona. The Lamona breed was the brainchild of Harry Lamona, a senior poultry expert for the U.S. Department of Agriculture in the early 1900s. Lamona wanted to create a truly American dual-purpose chicken, one that could produce both meat and eggs efficiently. After years of careful breeding, his efforts paid off. He named the bird after himself, the Lamona, a little tribute to his dedication to poultry improvement. The Lamona stood out for its striking features: pure white plumage, a bright red single comb, and unusually white earlobes. Most dual-purpose breeds with red combs lay brown eggs, but Lamonas were special. They were calm, consistent layers, averaging around 200 white eggs per year, and they grew into solid, good-sized birds for the table. Sadly, the Lamonas couldn't compete with the rise of commercial hybrids, and their numbers plummeted by mid-century. For a time, they nearly vanished from existence. But thanks to dedicated breeders and conservation efforts, the Lamona is making a quiet comeback. They're now recognized as a critical heritage breed by the Livestock Conservancy, a living reminder of America's agricultural innovation. And finally, one of the most beloved and eye-catching of all American breeds, the Wyandotte. The Wyandotte was developed in the 1870s as one of the true American dual-purpose breeds. It was named after the Wyandotte Native American tribe in honor of their strength, resilience, and deep connection to the land. That name gives this breed a sense of heritage and respect, fitting for a chicken that helped shape American homesteads for generations. Wyandottes became famous for both beauty and practicality. Their full, rounded bodies and rose combs make them ideal for cold climates, while their calm, adaptable nature suits both backyard and farm settings. They're dependable brown egg layers, producing about 200 eggs per year, and they're known for being friendly and curious, the kind of chickens that follow you around the yard just to see what you're up to. And then there's the color, or I should say colors. Wyandottes come in a stunning variety of plumage patterns: silver-laced, golden-laced, blue, buff, and more. Each one looks like a work of art with delicately outlined feathers that shimmer in the sunlight. For beginners, Wyandottes offer a perfect blend of productivity and personality. Beautiful, dependable, and unmistakably American. The Rhode Island White, the Lamona, and the Wyandotte, three breeds born right here in America. Each one tells a story of innovation, of farmers who cared about self-sufficiency, and of a time when every chicken had a purpose. They're not just birds from the past. They're living pieces of history, ready to thrive again in modern backyards. So if you're building your first flock, why not start with the breed that helped build the nation? Because preserving these heritage breeds isn't just about eggs or meat. It's about keeping the spirit of American farming alive, one chicken at a time. Friends, if you enjoyed learning about these beautiful American heritage breeds, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others discover these chickens too. Share it with a fellow chicken lover or anyone who's thinking about starting their own flock. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories about heritage livestock. Together, we can help keep these remarkable breeds from fading into history.